Hello guys, how are you all? Today, I will present to you a balm natural for lengthening and thickening hair very quickly using Vaseline. Even if you are bald, your hair will grow without stopping. Your hair will come back to life, bald spots will grow again, and hair loss will stop. Okay dear, if you are interested in more natural beauty recipes, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, and let's delve into the recipe. First, we need a medium-sized piece of fresh ginger. Then we grate it on a fine grater. Ginger is one of the most powerful stimulants for hair growth. Very rich in antioxidants that treat scalp problems, such as dandruff that causes hair loss. An effective and proven treatment for baldness and to reduce hair loss. Strengthens weak hair follicles because it enhances blood flow to it. The next step is to squeeze the grated ginger. Extract about 3 tablespoons only. Guys, please write to me in the comments from which country you are watching this video. Now we need Vaseline. You should use natural unscented Vaseline. Indeed, Vaseline increases the speed of hair growth in an amazing way. Especially if your hair is dry, it will give you length, thickness, and hydration all together. Okay, we'll add a tablespoon of Vaseline to the ginger juice. Then we will add olive oil. Guys, I always want to remind you, olive oil darkens hair color. If your hair is dyed or light blonde, replace it with coconut oil. Add a tablespoon. Then put the mixture on a water bath. Continue stirring until the Vaseline melts and the mixture is combined. Empty the mixture into a container for easy use. Shake the bottle before use. Use this mixture on your hair roots while it is warm. And massage your scalp for 5 minutes. Leave it on your hair for 2 hours, then rinse your hair with water and shampoo. And you can use it only twice a week. Use this recipe and I promise you will notice amazing results. Now, let's learn the second method. Put the grated ginger in a pot. Then add a tablespoon of Vaseline. Then we immerse the mixture in a cup of olive oil. Then we put the full moon on a very low flame like a candle. Stir the mixture from time to time to distribute the temperature. When the oil is hot, remove the pot from the heat. Empty the mixture into a bowl without filtering it. Leave it overnight. After this period, I filter the oil. To make this recipe more delicious and effective, we will add castor oil. This oil is miraculous. Even if you are bald, hair will grow again. It increases hair density incredibly and is one of the most powerful oils for making hair grow quickly. Add 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon. If the weather is cold, it will freeze a little, but that's okay. You can put it in a water bath. So use it in the same way as before. Put it on your scalp only if your hair is oily. But if your hair is dry, you can apply to the ends to moisturize it and give it a wonderful shine. It is very important to massage the scalp to promote blood flow. Leave it on your hair for only 2 hours. Use it only twice a week, believe me. The results will amaze you. Okay, now you can choose the method you like, and I promise you will find amazing results from the first week. I am waiting for the results of your experiments, my friends. Share them with me in the comments. We have reached the end of the video. I hope you liked our recipes for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time.